So let's do a few more specific things. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to remove my Twitter. I'm going to remove my Twitter profile. Right, remove from Hootsuite. So I just want to show you how to connect your network. So you allow 10 networks, 10 different networks on this plan that I'm using, 3 on the free version, and then a few more on the other top tiers. But I'm using 10. So every YouTube channel is a social profile. Every Facebook page, every Facebook group, every Twitter page, every Twitter profile, LinkedIn personal profile and company. These are all individual profiles, right? So you allow 10. You've got 10 under this £25 a month option. So I'm going to sign up here, private network. And I can do, obviously, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. So what you want to do when you link to your Twitter is maybe untick these if you don't want to follow. It's a bit cheeky, I think, that they do that, but I don't blame them. Unlink and then connect to Twitter. Log into your Twitter and it will accept and connect. So now down the bottom here, you've got your Twitter connected. So it's really easy to remove from Hootsuite, remove, share info, change the settings on things, and add them. So it's just really simple to connect your social profiles.